In May 2026, one of India's most prominent news anchors filed a 20 million rupee defamation suit against an educator who teaches on a whiteboard. Faisal Khan, known to millions as Khan Sir, is a titan of Indian online education. With a digital footprint exceeding 25 million YouTube subscribers, his influence rivals that of major media houses. His reach is built on affordability. While traditional coaching institutes are priced out of reach for many, he tailors his 200 rupee courses specifically for working-class aspirants seeking government jobs. A corporate legal war launched by a mainstream media giant against a local YouTuber is a significant escalation. To understand why a news anchor feels this level of threat, we have to look past the courtroom. In Patna, thousands of students live and study in high-pressure coaching hubs, desperately competing for a limited number of government positions. Understanding this lawsuit requires looking at the millions of students currently protesting a system they claim is fundamentally broken. The legal dispute is the visible edge of a much deeper conflict over who controls the national narrative when that system fails. The crisis began in May 2026 with a catastrophic leak of the NEET UG exam papers. The leak compromised the results for over 2.2 million medical aspirants, throwing their futures into immediate uncertainty. Many of these students come from families that took out massive loans to fund their education. When the irregularities became public, they took to the streets to demand accountability. Khan Sir and other online educators used their platforms to bypass traditional media, amplifying student voices and directly demanding the education minister's resignation. By operating as digital whistleblowers, these teachers successfully focused public anger on government institutions, making them a direct threat to the status quo. On May 29, the conflict moved to a live TV debate. Anchor Anjana Om Kashyap shifted focus away from the paper leaks, labeling online teachers as fraudulent two-penny star teachers who were inciting mobs for profit. Khan Sir responded on YouTube, accusing Kashyap of operating a fake news shop and labeling her a sell-out journalist protecting the state. Dismantling the credibility of the traditional press on a platform with 25 million subscribers is a direct assault on the legacy media's influence. The subsequent 20 million rupee lawsuit targeted a digital rival that had begun to break the traditional media's monopoly on public truth. The escalation turned physical just days after the online exchange. Unidentified attackers vandalized Khan Sir's coaching center in Patna, leaving a security guard hospitalized. Warning shots fired by his guards resulted in a sharp legal reversal. Police booked Khan Sir himself under the Arms Act and for attempt to murder. News networks immediately pivoted their coverage. They stopped calling him Khan Sir, weaponized his legal name, Faisal Khan, and launched segments painting him as a communal mafia boss. This coordinated legal and media campaign successfully transformed a whistleblower into a criminal suspect overnight. Within a single month, the national conversation shifted from a massive institutional exam failure to a debate over a teacher's religion and properties. This redirection of public attention follows a specific path. Data is diverted away from exam accountability and forced into the personal scandal node. As celebrity drama dominates the airwaves, pressure on the testing agency disappears from the public radar. The millions of students whose futures were jeopardized by the paper leaks are now the forgotten victims of this media spectacle. When a failing bureaucracy becomes uncomfortable with grassroots dissent, the establishment unites to neutralize the loudest voice. This lawsuit and the surrounding circus prove it is far easier to put the teacher on trial than to fix the test.